Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and studying the lesson regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 creepers along their spellings and correct pronunciations. Number 1. Muskmelon. M U S K M E L O N. Muskmelon. Number 2. Watermelon. W A T E R M E L O N. Watermelon. Number 3. Bottle gourd. B O T T L E. Bottle. G O U R D. Gourd. Bottle gourd. Number 4. Long melon. L O N G. Long. M E L O N. Melon. Long melon. Number 5. Sweet potato. S W E E T. Sweet. P O T A T O. Potato. Sweet potato. Number 6. Cucumber. C U C U M B E R. Cucumber. Number 7. Pumpkin. P U M P K I N. Pumpkin. Number 8. Periwinkle. P E R I W I N K L E. Periwinkle. Number 9. Strawberry. S T R A W B E R R Y. Strawberry. Number 10. Ashgourd. A S H Ash G O U R D. Ashgourd. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to learn more. Please do visit my channel, subscribe it, like my videos and share with others. Bye bye.